Azcocorp designed and manufactured a pouch dispenser with an unwind assembly mounted on an adjustable equipment stand. The unit has a color touchscreen for easy setup and operation. The roll of material is placed on a motorized unwind. A rising dancer arm feeds the material out. From the unwind, the material goes under a dancer assembly. The material is guided into traction belts. A no-product sensor stops the machine if no material is present. An optic system built into the knife cartridge detects a seal between the pouches and signals the unit to cycle. Once the material is indexed to the proper location, the knife cartridge cuts the material. The material falls down an exit chute and past a product verification sensor. Please give us a call to discuss your application.